So to take you through the distribution features that we've built, I'm going to start from the website or the web app that we've built. So what you do when you're looking for a service provider on the web is that you would start by indicating what you want to prioritize the results you see by. I prioritize by recency. So this is the most recently written reviews that we have on the platform. Next thing you do is that you'd indicate the service that you're looking for. So let's say you're looking for a carpenter in this case to demo the example, and then you'd indicate like a radius, how far the service provider should be from you or how far their last project should be from you. So the results that's returned is Eric. So now we can go into Eric's profile, and in Eric's profile we can see quite a few jobs that he's done that have been reviewed here. Click into the job that we want to demo right now. So we're looking at the review that we just wrote for Sia's home, and then in that we can go in and we can see the images that are written in the lightbox feature. Go through the lightbox and scroll through the images, see the work, and then if you're happy with the work, then you would go to our contacts tab. Once it's opened up, you'll see this QR code. And if you scan the QR code, that will take you directly into Eric's profile in Themba Mina app. So if you don't yet have the app, scan the QR code and you'll be taken into the App Store to download, and then you'll be taken exactly to Eric's profile, which is the deep linking that we've worked on. And this completes then the cycle of how we gather the review, give it distribution, and then you're able to access and contact the service provider in Themba Mina.